tomorrow is renewable. Nordic timber is also used to create Versowood's unique products. We are a family-owned company which has grown into the largest pallet and drum manufacturer in Northern Europe. Our own wood procurement and sawn timber production ensure high delivery reliability. With some 900 professionals, we manufacture and sell premium quality sawn timber and various processed products such as glulam, planed timber, wood poles and wood packaging, and cable drums. In the production of cable drums, we utilize sawn timber compliant with the ISPM 15 standard, which is used efficiently and economically. In our operations, we always have the future in mind and keep continuously developing. The diameter of our drums vary from 600 mm up to 3800 mm. Annually, we manufacture about 5 million cable drums, pallets and other wooden packaging products in our factories. We deliver the cable drums to our customers either semi-finished or pre-assembled all around the world. But what makes us special? We are a self-sufficient manufacturer of timber solutions who believe in uncompromising and honest work. We promise boldly and we keep our promises, both to each other and to our customers. You want the world's best timber solutions. We want to offer them.